Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, we will troubleshoot the issue Touchpad is not working on your Windows and not showing on the device manager. So first go to device manager option and we will cross check if anything is hidden on the device manager. Open the device manager first and sometime if it is hidden under this option, okay, you need to click on this option view and then click on show hidden devices. Once it is selected here, you can see two more devices are here. You need to right click on that and simply you can update the driver. Make sure you are connected with the network. So this is the first method you can try. If this option is not working, click on mice and other pointing devices and go to action and scan for hardware changes. And also you can re-enable this. If it is find here, you can right click on that and we are not able to access the enable and disable, so update driver simply and close this. So this is the first option you can try. If this option is not working, go to start menu, then click on setting and we will enable the touchpad from there. Click on after that this option Bluetooth printer mouse devices. Click on touchpad. Make sure if you have toggle button like turn off or on, you can turn on it. I need to go to the additional setting. Go to ELAN. Now you can see I'm getting the stop device. If it is like this, it means that the touchpad driver is not going to work. So make sure it is enabled like this and same setting you are applying. Do not display icons. This apply OK and check if your issue is solved or not. If still not solved, we can go to the Windows update. Go to search bar, type a check for update. Let's wait. Now make sure you are using the latest Windows. If not, click on check for update, restart your system and install all the updates on your Windows. So hope this video is useful for you. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.